What is up, boys? I was supposed to go. I just woke up. Always when I wake up, I just go to training. I was supposed to fucking do chest and do fucking boxing and cardio for half an hour. But I decided to record this video because I just went to the shower and it's pissing me off. It's fucking really getting on my nerve because I'm just like, shoot your fucking shot, bro. Like, what the fuck is really what do you think? Because I was yesterday out. I was with my friend out and about. We went to the city center to just fuck around, to just talk to some girls, and just just fuck around. And there are so many people who just are there doing nothing, doing drugs, doing fucking alcohol. And they are the same fucking people who then are gonna talk like, no, we should tax the rich man. No, Elon Musk is a fucking dumb bitch. I genuinely had a conversation with some girl, let's say, that the Elon Musk is fucking he shouldn't have that much money, right? He should have shared it. He shouldn't. He should not earn this much. Like, why, bro? I didn't wanna go into further detail into this discussion, but fucking why? He earned it. That was this is the hard work that pays off. No, because he cannot spend it. This is more money than anyone can fucking afford. Okay, so he earned it. It's fucking, bro. Life is only gonna happen once, you know? Life is only gonna happen once. And you have one single fucking shot to shoot your fucking shot. Nothing is gonna wait for you. When I was 15, 16, I was a pussy just like you. I was scared of fucking doing. I was always privileged, because I was tall. I think from high school, I was already around 2 meters tall, okay? But I was afraid to shooting a shot with girls that I liked. I was afraid of being different and doing my own thing. I was afraid of just quitting doing drugs and pursuing what I really enjoy in life. And some decisions I don't I don't regret any decision whatsoever, honestly, because it made me who I am today, and I'm pretty content with who I am today, right? But you maybe not yet. And maybe you have this big fucking decision you are postponing each and every day. Maybe there is this girl, what the fuck, bro? Picture this, okay? You want to date this girl, right? And you think, oh, she's so pretty, she won't go out with me, she won't have sex with me on the first date. No, that's not what the girls like her do. Maybe not with you. Maybe it occurred to you that the girl that you're idolizing right now is gonna fuck some random one, random dude on Tinder after the first date, after 1 hour, 2 hours, because it happened to me. It can happen to you, but do you acknowledge that? There are girls who are worth your time, definitely, and you should strive to look for one in the future. But whenever you meet a girl, whenever you obsess over something fucking random, you're just talking to a girl, just shooting your shot, just asking a girl for a date, because honestly, I know this for sure, be honest with me, there is probably a girl who you are liking for 2, 3 months, 4 months, and you are just writing messages, sending reels to each other, fucking doing nothing, basically, not even sexting. This same girl is sending no, the same girl is sending nude pictures to a different guy right now. The same girl is going on a Saturday night clubbing, or fucking going to some guy's house and fucking him after the first commercial on Netflix. I don't know, I don't watch Netflix anymore. But bro, this is with posting your music, posting your videos, doing something that you will be pointed on. There will be people who will try to let you, no matter what you fucking do, There will be people who are just gonna want to ruin you. Because people are fucking horrible, you know? Anyone who just preoccupies themselves with like, oh, I don't know what they gonna think of me. Like they gonna think shit of you, like no matter what. They gonna like fucking let you down and bring you fucking like down, no matter fucking what. No matter what you fucking do, you're gonna be like you're gonna be a target for those people. So doesn't fucking matter if you're gonna just wage slave. If you're gonna fucking like go work retail, go work fucking like normal 9 to 5 job in the office, like or you're gonna like there will be people who will say it's mean shit to you. And I'm not saying like mean fucking like oh he's like ugly or something. No, the mean shit like they are gonna laugh at you. They're gonna spread rumors. They're gonna like so do your fucking thing, bro. This is especially hard, and you might like consider this when you're like in high school, because in high school like you have to keep your status pretty high, and you have to watch out what you're doing. But trust me, if you're gonna do your thing, like people will appreciate this. But after that, bro, this is like fucking adult life. Nobody fucking cares. Like you're you are your own being. You are this like. Nobody fucking cares. Nobody. There, on average, the attention span right now is like 15 seconds. Okay, so if you're gonna message this girl, like, if you're gonna just post this video to YouTube, like, if you're gonna post this reel with your beat, like, nobody even gonna remember it. Nobody. When I'm matched with girls on Tinder, I must like DM them. I think I've already DM'd some twice or thrice, like on the because the matches sometimes reset, sometimes someone unmatches, and like sometimes the girl unmatches, sometimes like I unmatch. Nobody fucking cares. Nobody cares. Nobody remembers. If you're on Tinder, all the people there are in the same reason, and if they are not, they are soon gonna find out, or they gonna just ditch the app. Because you cannot make a world a better place than it is right now. If you are determined, if you're gonna like dedicate your life to it, go ahead. But just so you know, your little actions are not gonna make a fucking difference, you know? So just fucking try. So just fucking shoot your shot. Maybe in 20 years or 30 years of consecutive work, when you're gonna be extremely rich, where you're gonna have like a good amount of money, you're gonna be respected, you're gonna have a good body, you're gonna have a good physique, you're gonna have like ease with like you're gonna have connections. Maybe then you will be able to make the world a better place. Maybe you will be the one who changes that. But for now, just accept it, bro. Just fucking accept it. You are not the one who is making decisions. You are like this ant, like little ant, collectively building on something. And you are not benefiting from being angry at the world, being angry on how it is, being angry like because complaining isn't productive. Complaining is not doing you good. Complaining is not gonna bring the food to the table. Complaining isn't gonna get you laid. Complaining isn't gonna get your dick sucked. No, because the work has to be done. If you're going to the job like every day and your picture boss because like he did something, like he offended you, okay, bro, but the work has to be done anyway. So maybe just fucking like grow up, because nobody cares. And if you're not gonna do the job, like someone is gonna do it for you, and you're gonna lose the job. So what the fuck, bro? Maybe just like fucking like grow up, bro. If this offends you, there is something that you might have to work on, because I learned this myself. I'm a very stubborn person. Nobody likes when they are scolded. But you will have to work on this, bro, because if you're offended this easily, you're gonna get it hard in life. So just remember, shoot your fucking shot. Don't be afraid of making risky decisions. Oh, I just almost forget it. This is gonna be the value for the like fucking last minutes of the video. You know how long it took me to found a new apartment? because like I have broken up with my girl. I lost my apartment of 1 year. Like I think I lived there 1.5 years, and I was searching for a new crib. Like this is probably gonna be the last video here, because this is my parents' home. Actually, this is my old room. You know how long it took me? 3 days. 3 days it took me to find a new apartment. Then it was around 2 days to just move my shit, because like I have to. Firstly, I like moved my own. Like maybe it's gonna be 3 days because I'm gonna have to move my PC. So like a week in total. How many fucking people are sitting there complaining and no, there is like too much fucking prices skyrocketing now. Like the apartments are too expensive. I cannot find the apartment because they are all shit. Like, who fucking cares? Who's gonna do that for you? I had this conversation with a guy in my job, like previous job when I was working call center, and I asked him because like he was my age, around 24, I think, and I asked him, why are you like if because he told me like he's still living with his parents, but this does not made sense for me because it was like 40 or 50 kilometers from like my city, so like really far away, and to like be on the in the job on like 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. he like has to wake up it's like 6 a.m. around, and like I just asked him, why not like rent in the city where you are gonna have like it much closer and like save so much time that then you can spend this time to make more money, to like do something productive, to explore your passions, to find your purpose, anything like this. No, bro, like, so this is too expensive. No, the rentals in the big cities, no, bro, can't do that. And like I was then like moving my first time, and I genuinely asked like, okay, so maybe I tryna save some money to just have this like, and like what's the issue? Like you are working full time. No, bro, I'd rather like buy some games on Steam on where there is there is gonna be a sale. And till this day, I think he still lives with his parents. Like nothing wrong with that, but like to spend almost like or 5 hours daily on just commuting, not the best deal for me. So just like that was like fucking well, honestly eye-opening for me. And my advice to you is, if you're procrastinating a decision who might be just stopping you from making an advance in a good direction, because like I have nothing, like I'm really grateful for my parents, but this is not the time to live with my parents, you know? So I had to find a place for myself. And this was the decision that was holding me back a lot, like was taking a lot of mental space for me. So just, I don't know, like fucking, if you're gonna have to like make this decision, like have to make something like some hard decision, like try to do it as fast as you can, and first like opportunity that it comes to you, which is realistic, like you are not settling too much, it's okay, like it could be better if you like spend every time you make a decision, like you have to think when it's like you have to think how much time you're gonna have to spend if you were not to make this decision right now. For me, with the script, like I really liked it. You're gonna see in the next videos. But honestly, like it could be better. But the amount of time I would have to spend to look for another one would be like crazy. Like going like over and looking and waiting for the agents to reply. Like no, bro. I think that was a good deal. I think that was a good decision. And first of all, like this decision was made. It's better to fucking make a decision than just to sit on the crossroad and then like be fucking paralyzed, bro. Because if you are not moving in any direction, you're not moving in any direction. If you're moving in a wrong direction, at least you can like go back and then go in a good direction, and like finally you know which one is the good one. So this is everything from me. I'm gonna go hit the gym. The first link below is my community where I'm breaking down like no filter at all. Many concepts like this. So if you fuck with my videos, if you enjoy like my honesty, my breakdown of all this stuff, check the first link in the description. You won't regret it. That's it from me today. Hope you are gonna get motivated from this. Bye bye.